Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install updates for macOS and its built-in apps including Safari. Make sure you take a good backup of your Mac before you update or upgrade your macOS. I've already logged into my Mac. I will click on Apple logo and click on About This Mac. You can see I'm on macOS Ventura version 13.0.1. Alright, let me click on the Apple logo again and click on System Settings. I will click General on the left side and click on Software Update on the right side. Now it will say checking for updates. So the software update will scan for any new updates or upgrades. You can see it has found macOS Ventura version 13.1. If it finds a new version upgrade, then it will show the macOS version and then it will show the button Upgrade Now. But I'll click on Update Now and click on Agree for the license terms. Enter your administrator password. Okay, so now it's going to download the updates. Okay, so the time it takes to download the updates depends on the speed of your internet connection. Alright, the download has completed. Now it's preparing for the installation and it says that it will take about 30 minutes. I'll speed this up. Okay, so now it's going to restart the computer. So I'm going to click on Restart Now. During the installation, your Mac might restart and you might see a progress bar or a blank screen several times. Okay, the installation is completed and I've logged in back. So I will click on Apple logo again, click on System Settings and click General on the left side, click Software Update on the right side. Now it will say checking for updates again and it says your Mac is up to date. Just so you know, software update shows only updates or upgrades that are compatible with your Mac. And also clicking on this I button next to automatic updates, which is turned on, it will show a few settings which can be either turned on or turned off. So you have settings such as check for updates, which will basically enable or disable automatic updates. Download new updates when available, which will download the new updates automatically when available. Install macOS updates will show you the updates which are related to your macOS. Install application updates from the App Store, which will show you the updates related to the applications which you have downloaded from the App Store. Install security responses and system files will show you the updates related to your system files and security bug fixes. Alright, I'll click Done. Okay, so this is how you would install macOS updates on your Mac. I hope you like this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.